Titanium technology transfers heat quickly for fast drying and styling while helping reduce over-drying to fight frizz and enhance shine. 3 heat, 2 speed settings for true customization for all hair types and textures. Cool shot button sets the style for a longer lasting hold. Removable end cap allows for easy cleaning to help maintain continued optimal performance. Bonus volumizing diffuser softens the airflow to define natural curls and waves. When you're styling your locks, what's better than fast results? Fast results that last. The Revlon Salon titanium hairdryer is built with titanium technology to help you achieve the good hair day trifecta: smooth, shiny, healthy-looking results. Titanium technology transfers heat quickly for fast drying and styling while helping reduce over-drying to fight frizz and enhance shine. 1875 watts produce a powerful airflow for a faster dry. Multiple heat settings provide true customization for all hair types and textures. Because, let's face it, who doesn't crave a gorgeous blowout? Help set the style for an even longer lasting hold by using the cool shot button at the end of your styling routine. Includes bonus attachments to further enhance styling. The smoothing concentrator focuses airflow for precise styling and ultra-smooth blowouts. The volumizing diffuser softens the airflow to define natural curls and waves. Get continued optimal performance with the removable end cap for easy cleaning. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, great buy. This hair dryer is a great investment. I transitioned from relaxed hair to natural and needed a dryer to diffuse my hair as well as stretch my hair, and this dryer does the job and at a great price too. I love that it has 3 settings I can choose from. This dryer works really well on my 3C hair. I strongly recommend this product.